How's it going, you guys? It's Bad Boy AK, and in this video today we're going to be doing a special unboxing and installation of a company made by TruFiber. Now TruFiber is a company where they make carbon fiber parts for hoods, fenders, pretty much everything. They make spoilers, they do side louvers, and most importantly, this unboxing that I'm about to be doing is the side louvers custom carbon fiber by TruFiber to the 2010 to 2014 Mustangs. And this package is real carbon fiber, and the ones I had before were from American Muscle. I think they were called Speedform, and they were basically the ones like these there where they had a fake carbon fiber, like it was fake carbon fiber. And I'm not too fan of a fake carbon fiber, so I had this for like 2-3 years. And then I just decided to do my research to find something where they made real carbon fiber parts for a 2010 to 2014 Mustang. And I found it from TruFiber, and they're basically like 15 minutes away. They're located in Houston, Texas, and 15 minutes away where I'm at. And they're very near, and I stopped by, and they had it like on a clearance sale. They were getting rid of it, so I'm not sure if they have it or not, the carbon fiber side louvers that I'm about to show you guys. But I got it off of a clearance sale, and basically I got it from them, and they retailed I think over $250 to $300, but I got it from a clearance sale, and I'm not sure if they have it or not. But anyway, without going any further, let's just get down to the video, and I'll show you guys the TruFiber carbon fiber side louvers. Now, I'm not entirely sure if they still have them in stock or not. I think they probably do or not, so you have to probably call them personally. I'll put the link in the description bio for you guys to go check them out. They don't have it on their page, but you have to like call them personally to see if they have it. But this is the 2010 to 2014 Mustang, the side carbon fiber louvers, the real ones. And I'm going to show you guys, this is what you're going to get out of the package. It basically says TruFiber, the company, and the louvers of the side ones are inside the box, and we're going to be opening it up to show you guys, what you get out of the package. Well, this is the package, but I'll show you guys what you're going to get. Oh, whoa, it fell down the card. Well, you're getting this thing, the TruFiber, a card that says their name, and it has a cool little S550 Mustang, pretty cool. I'm not gonna go rip this or throw it away. I'm gonna keep this. And this is what you're getting out of the package. The carbon fiber side louvers. Whoa. Okay, this is where you get the first pair. I believe this is the left or the right. We can find that out very quickly when we get to the car. But this is what you're getting. Real carbon fiber. This is officially the LG carbon fiber by TruFiber. And this is how they are, the real ones. As you guys can see, you can see a big difference between real and fake. And I'll show you a comparison on how real and fake looks like. Real is this. And this is, I believe, the left pair. This one right over here is the right pair, which is pretty much the same thing. It's the same thing you're getting. It's getting stuck a little bit. Hold on. Bear with me, guys. Oh, okay, there we got it out. We got the second one right over here. This is the other one. You can see that it's real carbon fiber for the 2010 to 2014 Mustang. They probably offer for the S550 more, but having them for the 2010 to 2014 Mustangs is a bit more rare because you don't really see them more often on Mustangs. I'm not really a fan of carbon fiber in the back, so I took mine off, but carbon fiber on the side, I feel like it looks good on the car. I don't know about you guys. Let me know what you guys think about that, but on the sides, they look good, carbon fiber, especially if it's a real one, then hell yeah. And this is the real one, and I'll show you guys real versus fake. So this is probably the closest I could get a comparison between real versus fake. Real is on top, fake is on the bottom. Fake, you can see, let's start with fake, is you don't really see that much patterns as with the real ones. You can see it flows very nicely, and it has more patterns in it and more of a glossy finish as compared to the fake ones. Don't have that much of a shine. It's more of like a dull matte color. And you could tell automatically the patterns are not as compared to the real ones. The real ones look way better. And this is without even the sunlight. And you see I have a stand right there, shows the light. But in the sunlight, it will look exactly like this. You can automatically tell real versus fake. But anyway, I just want to conclude in this video the comparison difference between real versus fake. And I want to compare and contrast between them. But you can automatically tell what it is. But anyway, we're going to be going inside the garage, and we're going to be installing them onto the car. And we'll go from there and show you how you exactly install these. Okay, so we're in the garage, and this is the driver's side we're gonna go do first. And what we're gonna be using is this is the only thing I got, is a glass cleaner, Straight Free Shine Rain-X. And I usually use this to clean the windows. and it really does a good job. You don't really need anything super fancy. But yeah, so what you gotta do is basically spray the surface down, pretty much like this. Wait, hold on. Slowly, like that. Let it soak, and then after I use the microfiber, and we're gonna be cleaning the surface of the window, and that's how we're gonna be doing it. Wipe it down, make sure it's clean. Don't wanna, make sure your surface is, clean, because who wants to put these louvers on a surface that's dirty. So I prepped the area and I made sure, and let's just, oh yeah, one more thing. I even waxed the car up too, so that's a big plus too. But anyway, we're doing the louvers, and we have to make sure the surface is clean. So that's what we are doing, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so what you're wanting to do next is get an adhesive promoter like this. Any type of adhesive promoter works fine. Any adhesive promoter, and basically we're gonna be doing this and cleaning the surface of the window. As before, I cleaned the window with the Rain-X and made sure the surface was clean. And now we are just basically prepping it with the alcohol prep pads, and that's how it's going to be to give the adhesion a more sticky surface to make the louver stick, and repeat that on the same side on the other one. Make sure you do those same steps like I told you guys. Okay, so the next step, this is probably the whole important step in this video. And the important step of this video is, as you guys can see, all this hue and this stuff you see right there, we're going to be using, well, we already used it a little bit because I went to test fit to see it. This 3M, it came with the carbon fiber. It came with the 3M VHB tape. And basically what this does is you have to shake it very well and then break the glass of it. So as you guys could see, the glass is broken. Well, kind of broken. You can see it's broken. We basically shake it and then break it a little bit. And then after I use this and then rub it, like how I'm doing right now. You rub it, and it basically what this does is it gives the adhesion, so that way that these louvers don't be flying off the road. A lot of people when they install louvers forget this step to do, and I think this is probably the most important steps when you install window louvers on any car, is to use this adhesion promoter that it came with the kit from TruFiber. And basically you just rub it down like this, like the way I'm doing it. And make sure you just prep the more you use it, I think is the better. The more is the better, because it makes the surface very sticky and you won't have any flying louvers on the road, which is the most important thing. You want to get embarrassed and have louvers flying off the road. And I mean, that'll be very embarrassing to have or see. But anyway, we're just rubbing down the surface, and you can see I think I got plenty of it, so that way it doesn't fly off. So now the final step is we're going to be aligning it and installing it onto the car. Okay, so the next step is, as you guys saw, we used the primer. I forgot the name of it. It was an adhesion. It was called the primer. So we used the primer that came part of it from TruFiber. And now next step is we're gonna start with the driver's side, which means the left side. We're gonna peel a little bit of it off, then peel a little bit of this off, and peel a little bit of that off. Don't peel the whole thing off, because if you peel the whole thing off and you stick it into one place, then you're not going to, then you can't really undo or change it if you feel like you misaligned it. So we're gonna just peel part of it, like a little bit, 1/3 of it off, and then we're gonna go from there like that, and I'll show you how exactly you pull it off. Okay, so we have it where we want it, and basically just like that, we're going to be, you don't take the whole thing off, just like how I did it, and you do like 1/3 of it, and basically we just put it on the surface of it, and I'll show you guys how we align that. The stickiness is still there too, the primer we used. So hopefully we're almost done now. We're gonna be sticking this on now. Okay, so we finally have it installed, and it looks really damn amazing. You could tell right off the bat that real carbon fiber looks really amazing as compared to the fake carbon fiber. The fake version that I had was sticking more out. Like, it looked cool, the fake version, but like, for example, it's not really, like, the thing is that it's not real carbon fiber. Real carbon fiber, you could tell right off the bat that it looks, you can see that shine right over there, as you guys could see. And the fake one, you can't really tell. For example, right over here, you can see that this is fake. And you can see the patterns, you can tell right off the bat that it's not real. And then when you look right over here, you can tell real, you can tell how it looks. I mean, it looks really damn amazing. The car looks, it looks way better. At first, I thought having no louvers looked better, but ever since I installed these are probably like the best thing you could ever put for your 2010 to 2014 Mustang. If I was gonna go place an order and buy side louvers, it's definitely gonna be from TruFiber, and these guys really killed it on this one. And although these were probably discontinued, they no longer make them. I got I got mine. And I mean, really, I don't understand why they even discontinued them, to be honest with you guys. It really looks fantastic. We got fake carbon fiber right over here. If they offered real carbon fiber, I would definitely just throw these off the garbage in the trash can and swap it out with real ones. But you could tell the patterns, you could tell right off the bat that it looks fake. Real is real. And you can see right over here how cool, and it just changes the whole look of the car. Real versus fake is something that you can tell right off the eye. This is also a perfect example of real carbon fiber. Real carbon fiber, you can see it matches with my side louvers that I have. And if we go right over here, as you guys can see, it perfectly matches the side louvers. And I pretty much got carbon fiber right over here as well too. You can't really tell, but it's right over there. Real carbon fiber deck lid. Both of these, the side louvers and the deck lid, is made from TruFiber. For this one, I had to go, basically all you had to do was reuse your deck lid emblem, and it fitted like a glove, so it wasn't really too much of cutting or anything like that. The only thing I had to do was trim the edge of the thing, because since this was bulky, since I have a 2010 to 2012 Mustang, I had to go cut that little Fox gas cap thing a little bit to trim the emblem, then reuse the emblem, and then put it back on the car. But other than that, it's perfectly well. This combined with the side louvers really changes the look of the car, and I'm really happy with those results. This is probably the best thing you could get for your 2010 to 2014 Mustang. It really changed the appearance and the look, especially when you come outside in the sunlight. And the sun will pretty show the full effect of the real carbon fiber side louvers made by TruFiber. So that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is the end for this video. I hope you guys like this video. The TruFiber side louvers is approved from Bad Boy AK. They really are fantastic and stand by the word. Real carbon fiber really makes a big difference for your car. And although I wasn't sure they made real carbon fiber for the side louvers, they actually did, and it really is fantastic. They really stand behind the word. Real carbon fiber really stands out. Better to get a real one than getting fake ones, and I threw the fake ones out the garbage now. And I also got a deck lid from them too, and all you have to do is cut the gas cap, use a Dremel, cut it on the thing, and then you're basically good to go on that. So TruFiber deck lid and TruFiber side louvers on the Mustang pretty much changed the appearance of the whole car, and I'm really happy with the results. It looks phenomenal, looks better than the fake carbon fiber. Although I wasn't really a fan of side louvers for a car, maybe even rear window louvers for the car either. Side louvers for the car, especially in real carbon fiber, really changed the appearance, and I'm really happy with the results. Let me show you guys one more time. I mean, look at this right over here. It really changes the appearance of the car. Real carbon fiber. Let me go in more detail. You can see it's real, and it looks really damn nice. I wasn't sure how this was gonna go since it sits more flush, but they really, killed it on this one. It looks really fantastic. I'm happy with the results. I mean, it's gonna stand out in the sun, and it's gonna look good. Better than the painted louvers, in my opinion. But anyway, that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is the end for this video. Subscribe to my channel. I don't know what's going up for the past few days. A lot of you guys are not really watching my videos. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong or anything like that, but show the love and support like you guys always do. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Let me know what your perspective is on side louvers for a Mustang, especially a 2010 to 2014 Mustang like this one. And let me know on your comment section what you guys think about real carbon fiber side louvers. I mean, is it a cool thing to have? Is it give me your opinion or perspective on it. But yeah, that's it for this video for today. I hope you guys like this video. Comment, like, share, subscribe like you always do. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your fantastic day. Peace out.